This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including a driver's seat lumbar support, power windows, XM satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 23,000 miles. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.